Two bank accounts froze me this morning. The first bank account, Monzo Business, they are problematic and everyone knows that. I tried to make a payment to a person that I have paid before, to a payment that I have made before, with an invoice, and they blocked it. Not only did they block it, they also blocked my account for 24 hours and said you can't make any payments whatsoever. None whatsoever. So that was brilliant. I thought, okay, luckily for me, I preempt these things. I used another account. An account that I've never actually had any problems with up until today. So I used that account to make the payment and they said, oh, this payment has been blocked by our fraud team, give us a call. I thought, okay, I'll give them a call. Had to give them, obviously, every single personal bit of information, including my inside leg measurement. And then she said, has anyone made you make this payment? I said, well, that's normally how an invoice works. I said, but I have the goods right in front of me. It's a family member that I know personally, and I have paid them before. So there should be no reason for you to flag this payment. I'm telling you, I have the goods right in front of me. I know this person personally, and I've paid them many, many times before. She said, have you paid them out of this account? I said, no. I said, I just thought this account would be easier. And she went, oh, easier? Why? Who said it'd be easier? I said, easier because I am in my bed right now feeling really lazy, so I just thought I'd make an instant payment from my phone instead of having to use a different business account where I have to go downstairs and get a card reader. I said, that easier. Just purely me being lazy. Asked me a load of questions that I repeated. I said, yes, I know this person. Yes, I've met them in person. I have the goods in front of me. I've already received the products. This is the invoice. I just need to make the payment. No. What do you mean no? No, we're not going to allow that payment. You're not going to allow me to make a payment from my account with my money? No. And not only that, we've now blocked your account. Okay, why would you block my account? You've literally, so while I was on the phone, they asked me to log into on my app. So I've logged into my app. She said, okay, I can see that you've got access to your phone. Yes. Is it a new phone? No, I've had this phone for a year now. Is it a new number? No. Has anyone asked you to change your password? No. Everything is the same. So you can see it's me. You can hear it's me. I've accessed the app. I've done everything that you've asked for and you've blocked my account. Yes. Well, to unblock your account, you need to come into a manager-run branch and show photo ID. She went, luckily for you, these are your two nearest banks where they are manager-run. I said, well, both of those are over 2 hours. Both those are over an hour away from me. So it's a 2-hour journey. How do you know I have a car? Well, you can get a taxi. How can I get a taxi when you've frozen my account and I can't pay for it? And I have 3 children. So you're telling me I can't buy food? I can't make payments? I can't pay bills? I can't do anything because you've frozen my account for a payment that I've told you is not suspicious because I already have the goods, I know the person, and I've paid them before? This seems a lot like a dystopian society, if you ask me. Anyway, so here I am, driving over an hour away to a branch to show photo ID that I am me and give them absolute fucking hell, and in the process I will be withdrawing my money and closing that account. Luckily, as I said, I do have backup, and I am really grateful that the people that I work with can take stablecoin, Bitcoin, crypto, gold, silver. I can pay in alternate ways, cash, you know? But what if people don't have that option? This isn't to protect you, this is about them, by the way, because there was nothing that I said that flagged anything to show that this was fraud, this was a fraudulent payment. Oh, and then she had the audacity to say, you sound stressed. Is there someone stressing you out? Bitch, you are stressing me out. So